some breakfast. I'm not hungry, but since my energy is low, I definitely need to eat something. So last night I was recording something. Oh, I did show y'all you know what I got. What did I record yesterday? Hello. Yes, hi, morning. Can I have a number 2? Can I have fries instead of the hash browns?
Okay, sorry about that. Go ahead with the order box.
No problem. Can I have a number 3 instead? Can I have fries instead of the hash browns?
Coffee or chocolate or tea?
Can I have hot chocolate, please? What I was saying is, yeah, my phone fell when I finished recording last night. I was taking the phone off the tripod. When I'm using that tripod, I don't keep the phone in the case. I was taking it off the tripod, and my phone fell on the hard ass concrete, and the tripod was a little bit high, and bam. So the screen is gone. Wait there, did I bring the phone? Hold on, let me just check, because I'm going to get it fixed. Okay, it's here. That would be so crazy. So I can't even see nothing right now. Last night it came on, I'll put a picture, and it like a lot of blue lines and stuff like that. And I was trying to open my phone because I was trying to transfer the WhatsApp to my laptop, and I was trying to open the phone to whatever, and it just wasn't working. Yeah, so I use a 12 Pro Max to video. So I'm using my next iPhone that I have. I can't remember which iPhone is it. I think it's the iPhone 8. Yeah, so another issue just popping up. Like for the past week, I have been spending so much money with moving. Well, 2 weeks. Yeah, for the past 2 weeks, I've been spending money with moving. You know how moving go, it takes money. I've been doing like some shopping, as y'all saw. I even lost money, like the budget for 2024 is gone, like nil, 0. I've lost a lot of money, and I will talk about that when I'm ready, or maybe not, but just know I'm gonna lose some money. Spend money, lose money. So now even my supermarket bill, I went over that. Like I spent so much money. Oh my god. So yesterday, between this week alone, no, the phone I got add to it, yeah, like 80 grand I've spent this week. That's excluding moving and all of that. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, my grocery bill was at 24, 25. Home and things was 16. I spent almost $9,000 and something else, plus this phone added to it, to 15. Oh yeah, so it's gonna be like around 60, 70 something I spent so far this week, and I'm not finished spending. So next thing what I realized is the curtains that I have, they are too light. So last night I said to myself, like, I need to test, because the windows that I have, by the way, I live, based on where I live, like I said, it's a house, so it would be like a triplex. It's a triplex house, you know, like it's just one building with different units. It's an apartment, but it's not really an apartment. It's more like a triplex. The triplex is like a same building but different units. Everybody have their own entrance, this meters, everything. So I live in a triplex. So when last night because the windows have a little tint too, right? But I say because based on my windows in the daytime, they're like pretty light and you can see outside. So I said, I'm gonna go outside, go test. I turn on the light in my room. Based on where my room is, you drive in, and the part where based on where the parking is, that's like where basically my room is, right? So I said, let me turn on the lights and see if I can see inside when it's dark. Oh my god, you can literally see inside my room at nights. So if the video vibrating, y'all, it's a car, and honestly, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna have to buy some curtains, like 8 pieces of curtains, or I can start out because that's 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so probably need like 4 now, and I do the balance, whatever. But hold on, let me just finish this up. They're probably not here because it's kind of low. Say low 2 minutes, but I hear you. So thanks. Oh, the orange. Thank you. So where was I? I like to switch out my hash brown for regular fries. I hope I got ketchup. I should have checked the bag. Yeah, I got one. Okay. I don't even want the hot chocolate. So yeah, so just have the curtains. Definitely need to. The curtains I need to get. I have to get. That's the agenda for today. I still have to go back to Azan again. I think I've been to Azan for the past, this is a 3 time for the past 2 weeks, because I got the time I went to get the utensils. I went there, blah. So I think this is the 3rd time I'm going to Azan. Each time I go to Azan for the rest of December, y'all, take a sip, take a shot. No, a shot is too much. It's too much. We're not alcoholics over here. We just drink a lot of rum. But to make it easy on y'all, just take a sip of wine or your drink each time I go outside, because the amount of time. Alright, so I dropped off my phone. I'm gonna head to Mega Mart. I'm just gonna check the decorations, the ornaments, and I still need a star, so I'm gonna check to see if they have oh, I'm actually passing Fontana too. Should I stop at Fontana for, you know what, no, I'm gonna stop at Mega Mart because Fontana for them prices sometimes. So I'm gonna stop at Mega Mart first, see if I can see a cute star, something shiny, and then I'm gonna head to Arsan's. So that is the plan. I think I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get 2 of these, and I really wanted this to be a little bit darker, but I think it can go for now, or probably should wait. I don't think I'm gonna get this yet. I'm gonna wait. Probably I go somewhere else and I see a darker one. I mean, just wait. Yo, this is gorgeous. Who wanna get me this for my Christmas? How much is it? 19. Oh my god, I love this art. Wow. Okay, so I found the stars. It has a little glitter. The one at Azan didn't have a glitter. I wish it had more glitter, but I guess I can work with this. I think it's kind of big for my tree though, but I'm gonna try it. It's reasonable. How much is it? $374. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Guys, I am at Home and Things. Well, I was passing it, and tell me why may I pass it? I see big car and gate lock up. Now sale them I have again. I'm come here 2 days ago. I know them I have sale. Maybe I see how much for the mirror that I bought, because yeah, I'm gonna let's see. Also Home and Things, that was a task. There's so much people. They have sale today and tomorrow, and like I told you, I came here 2 days ago. Was it 2 days ago or yesterday? Yeah, 2 days ago. Today's day 2. Like 30% off everything. So even the mirror that I purchased, that shit is the same price, minus 30% off. It's okay. It's okay. Well, about like 3 items. I'm gonna head to Azan right now, and my phone is shaking. Go to Azan, get the curtains. That's it, off the road, and it's 12:42 right now. I also need to get gas. My God, a lot of things to do. So much things to do. I have spent. Well, how much did I get for the stuff? Just $4,000 and something. Not bad. And then I know those curtains, because I need like 6, but I need more than 6, so I'm just gonna work with 6 right now. There's so much traffic on the road. Oh, it's Friday. Happy Friday. I wanna be with you, gotta be with you, need to be with you.